Hi, my name is Blanca, and this is my elevator pitch for my in-home daycare, Little Angels. I will be providing in-home childcare for children 1 to 4 years of age and be offering discounts for siblings. I will also be using the Brightwheel app so that parents can receive updates on their children. Having a very energetic son myself, I do understand how difficult it is to trust anyone with your children, so our mission is to create a safe space for your little ones to be able to have fun and learn in a living environment where they will feel right at home. For my market research, I saw that the population in Alameda County is 1,682,353 people. In Hayward and my surrounding cities, there are between 5 and 6% of children under 5 years old, which is my target market. The median income in Hayward is $74,927. I conducted a short survey where I asked if they would want a 24/7 daycare. 60% of them said yes, 40% said no. I also asked if they would like for me to provide meals and snacks, and they all said yes. For children 1 to 2 years of age, I will be charging $220 a week. For children's 3 and 4, $200 a week, and I will also be offering part-time childcare for $50 a day and be open Saturdays. My budget summary. For startup costs, I gathered that my total cost would be around $7,200. In the first year, my revenue would be $16,800. The total profit for the first year is $89,183. In order for me to start my in-home daycare, I would need $7,000 to start, which includes legal, inventory, and furniture fees to be able to provide for them. Childcare is always going to be in demand and also a lot of competition, but it's better when you're able to provide and care for a smaller group and give a more one-to-one interaction. Thank you.